everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your phone charger and thought, wow, this is so boring? Well, that's exactly what happened with me today. I mean, as an artist, how could I let my charger stay so plain and dull? So I decided, why not give it a fun and creative makeover with some acrylic paints? What about you? Have you ever thought personalizing something simple like this? Let me know in the comments. Stick around till the end. I'll show you step by step how to paint along with some useful tips and tricks to make it even easier. So let's get started with the materials first. Here's the charger we are working with. Before we dive into painting, we need to seal off the open parts like the pots. Can't risk paint getting in there. I'm using medical tape for this because it's easy to use and super effective. Make sure you cover everything nicely and we are good to go. Now let's give this charger a fresh start with a white base coat. This step is super important because it makes the colors pop and gives the design a smooth finish. You can paint it softly with a brush or gently tap it for texture. It's totally up to you. Once the first coat is done, we will set it aside to dry. Alright, it's dry and ready for color. I'm going for a blue shade, but to make it a little softer, I mixed in a bit of white. Look at how softly the paint goes on. This part is so satisfying. Once it's fully painted, let's leave it to dry again. While it's drying, let me share my idea with you. It's so cute. I have sketched a small family, a heart being held by a teddy girl, a teddy boy and a dog. Isn't that adorable? Now it's time to bring it to life. Let's give a base coat to our cute small family. I'm starting with the heart using a bright red posca marker. I'm painting it bold and vibrant. It's already looking so cute. Next up is the teddy boy. I'm using brown acrylic paint to fill him in, and once he's done, I'll let it dry while I work on the dog. dog, I'm going with a mix of white and brown, and honestly, it's turning out even better than I imagined. Now that the teddy boy is dry, I'm outlining him with a black marker. And wow, it makes such a difference. The details really pop. Moving on to the teddy girl. I'm keeping her white for a sweet and simple look. Once she dries, I will outline her too and the whole design will come together beautifully. For the finishing touch, I'm adding little hearts around the design with posca markers. Just look at it, it's already so cute. Now let's remove the tape that we applied earlier to seal the ports. Once that's off, we will carefully fill in any gaps to give it a flawless finish. Let's take a moment to admire how everything is coming together so perfectly. For the wire, I'm only painting the top pins, keeping it simple yet fun. First, let's tape the wire just below the pins so the colors doesn't spread. Once that's done, I started with a white base coat. While the wire is drying, let's seal the charger with Mod Podge sealer. This step locks in the design and gives it a beautiful shiny finish. Then painted one pin white and the other blue. Oh no, I forgot to turn on the camera and missed recording this part. But here's what I did. I added a tiny tail on one pin and a heart on the other. They look so adorable and complete the whole look perfectly. And here it is, the final result, a plain charger transformed into the cutest, most unique charger ever. What do you think? I'm absolutely in love with it and I hope you are too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.